Minister for Power, Forests, Environment and Climate Change, Agriculture and Science and Technology, T.H. Vishwajit, called on the public to offer constructive criticism rather than negative commentary on the state government. Speaking at the two-day Indigenous Peoples Cultural Exchange Festival 2024, which was held at CHADONG under Fungar subdivision in Kamjok district, the minister emphasized the importance of providing constructive advice to help address any shortcomings of the government. Minister Vishwajit drew a parallel between governance and managing a household, acknowledging that mistakes are inevitable but can be corrected through positive feedback. He urged the people to engage in thoughtful criticism for the betterment of society rather than resorting to negativity. Minister T.H. Vishwajit reiterated that the government exists for the people and emphasized the importance of listening to the government in the pursuit of development. Commenting about the festival, Minister Vishwajit said that culture, traditions and diverse communities help in promoting the state. He maintained that the Indigenous Peoples Cultural Exchange Festival was organized with the theme United by Diversity and aimed at fostering unity and peace while also celebrating the value of uniqueness within the community. Speaking further, Vishwajit also urged the public for a collective support to realize the Prime Minister's vision of a developed India by 2047. Minister T.H. Vishwajit emphasized that a better society cannot be built on individual opinions alone, but it requires collective dialogue and collaboration. While batting for unified effort, Minister Vishwajit suggested that discussions on both the past and the present are key in shaping a better future. He further urged against misleading others and wished for the continued organization of such events to promote unity and progress. MHHDC Chairman and MLA K.H. Bomcha also attended the event. A special souvenir commemorating the festival was also unveiled.
सरकार हम चलारगदी राम मुसुलेरमनी लांद मुसुलेरमनी अचु मुसुलेरमनी आराम मुसुलेरमनी अदुबु अखोइना सरकार जे होना जरिबा नत्रगा लैबा के दमस्ता लैरिबा सरकार असि कनागिनो मियाम की सरकार नि अदु मियाम सु सरकार के नि हाबिदुने इन हाजनिंगी दे दुनो कोनेरिबो पोटपुन मक्सिंगसना थैदा थमकांदा अपिक मसादा सुबदे येंगा तवबदो अदु पॉजिटिवली अखोइना लैरिबा नैनबिरगदी हेना अचुब पोरकद्रा हाबिगी क्रिटिसिज्म जी नेगेटिव क्रिटिसिज्म हाइबामा पॉजिटिव क्रिटिसिज्म हाइबामा लैबा की ओरो नत्रगा एक्स वाई चेना हारी बट थॉटो मागी हेना थॉटफुल ओइबो पोट म लाको मतमदा सी वरगदि सी ने हेना फबा तवबदा म हेना फरोदा लेबाक्सदा हरको पंतमदा सरकार वगैरह कनागुमा हाइबो वगैरह कनातन लौदब लैरोय अदना पॉजिटिव क्रिटिसिज्म दा नैना सी कोइना पॉजिटिवली सलगदी मी पुनमा पॉजिटिव ओइगनी हाइबदि वाखलोंदा आइना मसी म थमजनिंगी लांदबा ngamdaba mi amta leite sangsarda aduna ariba concept wargasu aikhogi leriba mioi babu ngakpiba amadi madubu kauthopiba forgive and forget haiba concept to madubai kon apply tawrga koi thoiba punamak singse loinma ingdaminarakanda koi afaba manipur ma ayingma manipur ma purakna bonabada ngasi gi indigenous ki people ki forum na siliba festivals na achauba mateng pagane haibase ai ase pothajabudu ai mayamda thamjage